Hi, and welcome to 3dmotive.com. My name is Stephen G. Wells, and I'm a senior 3D artist. In this continuation of the introduction to ZBrush, we're going to push further along with what we were working on previously with the plaque. We're going to add a combination of surface noise, details, alphas, and layers to create certain effects on this particular plaque so we can get to a state that we know we can use it. We're going to then save that out as a separate subtool because we're doing all the elements separately, and we'll combine everything into one final file for a seamless mesh once we're done. We'll then take a look at using a Dynamesh block and actually start chipping and adding in some detail and some chiseling because we want this to look like it's worked stone. We'll then use one of our brushes, the Dam Standard, to chip some of the edges, add in some cracks, etc. And then finally, of course, we want to use a combination of different things, layers and surface and noise, to add in a few extra effects to make our rocks look like they should. And then we can continue on with this particular series. Okay, let's go ahead and get started.